The story of village Palampur. Economic Class 9th. Study Buddies. Introduction. Palampur is a hypothetical village used to explain rural economy. It has about 450 families belonging to different castes. Main occupation, farming, supported by some non-farm activities. Geographical setting. Palampur is well connected to nearby village Raiganj and town Shahpur. Village has roads, transport, electricity and irrigation facilities. It represents a typical Indian village with some modern features. Main production activities. Main production activities. Farming is the main activity of the people. Major crops: wheat, sugarcane, potatoes and rice. Livestock rearing, cows, buffaloes, provides milk and income. Farming methods. Traditional, bullocks, simple wooden tools, manual labor. Modern, HYV seeds, tractors, tube wells, fertilizers and pesticides. Multiple cropping and modern farming techniques increase productivity. Factor of production. Land, a crucial resource. Land is fixed, no further scope to increase cultivated area. Farmers practice multiple cropping to maximize output. Use of modern inputs makes land more productive. Labor, both family members and hired workers work on farms. Capital, fertilizers, tools, machinery, irrigation pumps. Small farmers borrow money to arrange capital, often at high interest. Land and capitol. Capitol are of two types: fixed and working capital. Human capital. Human capital refers to the skills, knowledge, experience, health, and attributes possessed by individuals that contribute to their productivity and economic value. It's the intangible asset that people bring to the workforce, which can be enhanced through education, training, and healthcare. Non-farming activities. Non-farming activities. Dairy farming, selling milk in nearby towns. Small-scale manufacturing like jaggery from sugarcane. Shopkeeping, selling goods in the village. Transport: rickshaw, tonga, trucks for goods and people. Transportation and communication. Palampur has good road links to towns and villages. Trucks, bullock carts, tongas, rickshaws used for transport. Electricity has improved irrigation and village life. Farming is important but dependent on land and resources. Modern farming methods increase output but need capital. Non-farming activities provide additional income opportunities. Infrastructure, roads, electricity, is key for development. Key learning and conclusion. Palampur is a model village to understand India's rural economy. It shows the interdependence of farming, non-farming, and infrastructure. Balanced development requires focus on both farming and non-farming sectors. Thanks for watching Study Buddies.